This is a Wizards Toolkit demonstration of how the data-driven menus work. We start with page list and add pages to the WTK pages table. Here's one that I've already previously added for the lookup list, which is in the admin folder, and you do not have to put in the .php, just put in the rest of the file name. So there is a file name called lookupList.php. Now I'm going to make another file that goes directly to the user admin edit page, passing in the ID. Normally you won't want to do this in a menu, but you can if you want to. And then that way it will go to a data specific page. Here I'm going to make a user report list, which is going to be from the WTK folder where the reports are shown. And what you want to do is put in reports.php and then RNG for range, and that will be the report ID. If you wanted to, you could actually pass in both the ID value and the range value if you're doing your own pages and you want to pass those values for proper data lookups. This is the report builder, which I will show in a different video tutorial. And it allows you to make very complicated reports using simple SQL and then choose whether or not you want to have graphs on it by simply clicking a checkbox. But now let's go and actually make the new menu set. We want it to go between email management and site management. This is, by the way, the WTK admin is the back office menu set that comes with Wizards Toolkit that has all the basics you need to manage the back office of your website. So I put it at 25 and you see it already shows up, but it doesn't have any menu items yet. So now we just go in here and we choose the menu items that we want to put in, which pulls this drop list is from the pages data table. So now lookups is there. Now we'll add another one. And you can set the priority to determine if you want it to be before or after the other ones. So this will be a direct link to the Andrew page. And now we'll make one for the user report page. You see, as soon as I save it, it updates in real time and is available in the drop menu immediately. This is the report that has bar, line, area, and pie charts, all working based on the SQL that you put into the report builder. Of course, we want the menus to work not just with top menus, but also with sidebar menus. And there's a single call that loops through the data and builds the HTML for both the sidebar menu as well as for the top menus. This is using the PHP WTK menu function, which you can see there's our data tables, and you have full access to modify all this information right in your own environment in case you want to change the way the drop menus or the sidebar menus work in any way. Usually you want your menus to be menu items that are in a drop list like this, but sometimes you want to have a direct link from the menu bar, in which case you can do that just as easily. You just assign the group name, then you put the group URL, which you usually leave blank, and you fill that with where you want this to link to, and then you choose the priority of where it's going to show in the menu. Notice it's not there, save, and now it's there, and if you click it, it takes you right to the page. This can be done with all of your links anywhere you want it, and it works on the sidebar too. Have a great day. Subscribe for more on the business of programming.